everyone, my name's Jeanette, and I grew up here in the Hudson Valley. I attended Highland High School and then went to Penn State, where I got a degree in mechanical engineering. Now I work here at IBM as a manufacturing engineer.
Hello everyone, my name is Astrid Chakwa. I am a firmware developer for IBM. I decided to get involved in technology in order to be essential and make a difference in the lives of people.
Hi everyone, my name is Megan Drake and I'm an industrial engineer at IBM in Poughkeepsie. I became interested in engineering growing up because I really liked hands-on projects and I did well in math and science at school, so I knew engineering was for me. I went through the Wallkill School District and then on to Binghamton University, where I majored in industrial and systems engineering. I liked it enough to stay and get both my bachelor's and master's degrees.
Hey everyone, my name is Laura Reeve and I'm a cryptography firmware engineer at IBM. So basically what my team does is we work on a piece of hardware that provides security for all sorts of things. One example would be ATMs. When you go to an ATM, you put in your card and type in your PIN number. We make sure that none of that data that's being sent around is going to be compromised and no bad people are going to get access to it and be able to take all the money from your bank account.
One of the cool parts about my job is that I get to work on innovative solutions to help improve and enhance the manufacturing processes. One project I'm working on right now is a collaborative robot that picks and places parts into our system. As an engineer, I know that my job will never be boring and always be challenging.
As a firmware developer, I write lines of code that has a set of instructions which get executed by the hardware.
So at IBM, I do a lot of classic industrial engineering work, such as figuring out if we have enough resources to handle all of the machines we need to build, but I'm also involved in a lot of cool special projects. Another project I'm working on involves something that we're all facing right now, which is the COVID-19 pandemic. IBM wants to bring back everyone into work as safely as possible, so we're using artificial intelligence and machine learning to identify areas where people are most likely not social distancing or wearing masks. Then we can make sure we're all doing our part to keep ourselves and everyone around us safe.
I went to Boston University and I studied computer science. The reason why I chose computer science was because I always loved math and I loved solving puzzles. And I realized that CS was basically solving puzzles all day, which is my dream job. There's so many different areas to go into in engineering and computer science and all of the other STEM fields. So if you have any interest in puzzles or any of the fields in STEM, I'd highly recommend just take a class. Even if you don't think that you're the most qualified person for it, just try it.
The main piece of advice I have for you all is to have a goal, work hard for it, and keep believing in yourself.
I highly encourage anyone to get into STEM.